Hey, this is my out of theater reaction to The Hunger Games, A Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Really long, weird title. I was not anticipating this movie that much, but I gotta say I was blown away. It's really, really good. It's great. Rachel Zegler is great. The guy who plays young Snow is great. Viola Davis is a treat. The action is really, really good. I think this might be my second favorite Hunger Games movie I've seen. Might be my first on a rewatch, but it has great themes. It has a lot of great things going for it in the story. It's not just the Hunger Games part that's really exciting. It's everything from beginning to end almost. There's some cringiness to the film that made me a little bit, but other than that, I can't really think of any negatives. Full review coming soon.